Hey, welcome back to wildlifeart. I'm Saransh Agarwal and I hope you're all doing well. For this week's video, I'll be talking about my realistic tiger drawing. I'm starting my drawing with the eyes. I'm using HB, 6B and 8B graphite pencil, and I'm also using Staedtler Lumograph Black 8B pencil. For highlights, I'll be sticking to the Tombow Mono Eraser and Kneadable Eraser. To achieve deep blacks, I'm giving a try to the Lumograph Black pencil. I can say it really gives pitch black and blends well with the graphite. To create tiger fur, I'm using an embossing tool. I'm gently pressing the embossing needle, making marks for the fur. And when I apply graphite, the graphite doesn't go in the embossed lines and gives a lifelike fur texture. It can be a tedious process, but it's worth it. While embossing, you need to care about two things: the pressure and the length of each strand. The pressure decides the thickness and thinness of the strand, and if we talk about tiger specifically, right length hair at the right part is really important. To highlight whiskers and saliva around his mouth, I'm using Winsor & Newton whiting. I'm using whiting here instead of fine Posca marker or white pen because it is really easy to apply on graphite with precision and really gives a clean white finish. As I go far from the face, I'm using Tombow Mono Eraser to create every single strand, as it has to appear a little out of focus. And here you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll be uploading videos weekly, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you want to support the channel more, you can follow me on my Instagram handle @saransh_art. Thank you, and I'll meet you in the next one.